Made in Cookware is a really popular kitchen appliance brand. They sell a lot of things from cookware, tabletops, knives, accessories for the kitchen, pots, pans, a lot of different things. There's one cool feature on their website that I wanted to share, kind of simple, but it's really useful. And so I wanted to share to merchants here to kind of get a good idea of why it's so useful and how it's so helpful to customers. So if you look at their product page here, and as you scroll, their home page here, and as you scroll down, you see this section here, top deals, and curated sets, two similar kind of collection sections here. But one thing that you'll notice about this section and these product components here is they have these two badges. So on the top left hand corner, they have like bestseller, new, final sale. And then at the bottom here next to the price, they'll have these discount badges. Why I personally like badges and why I think they're so helpful because they draw the eyes of the customers. When I scroll to this section, this red banner here and this banner here are the first two things that I personally notice when I hit this section here. So it's all this red here and then this banner here. So without me even seeing the product, my eyes already light up because I can already see that this is of interest to me. The website layout overall is kind of like a calm, whitish color, but you see by using these elements here, they stand out. So now my eye is already drawn to it. In this case here, we have these banners, bestseller, new, final sale, right? So I can already see that there's something special about this product. What makes this a bestseller? Obviously, if I'm interested, now I'm going to click and learn more. Oh, this is a new product. Well, let me see. This is new. Okay, so let's try it out and see how it could be useful to me. Final sale. That can draw urgency, right? This is the final sale. Then that gives the impression that it might be gone soon. So now it's driving that urgency to me as a customer. Um, so that's why I like these banners here, which are related to various products. And then these discount banners here as well. So in this case here, this section is top deals, so it looks like it's like all the products by the company or on the website that are on sale. So all of these products are going to have various discounts. But by adding the discount banner here, instead of just leaving it like this, right? As a customer, I'm coming to the website. I'm not really trying to do math to see how much I'm going to save. But you see, they've actually done the math for you, and they're showing you just how much you're going to save. If I see I save $115, in my head I'm thinking that's a good deal. So let me, check it out and see um, if this is something that's useful to me. This stainless set 10-piece product, right? I'm saving $115. I'm getting 30% off. Clearly, this is a good deal. So let me see how this is of interest to me. So, adding these discount badges I think is very important to be able to show the customers just how much they're going to save, and again to draw their eyes to the discount that you're offering, as opposed to maybe just having the old price crossed out. You actually show how much they're saving and the percentage that they're going to be saving. So these are very two key features that I noticed on Made in Cookware that I wanted to share as a merchant to see how it could be useful to you. If this video was helpful, feel free to look into some of these points here and see how it can be useful to your storefront. And if you'd like to implement something like this, or maybe you want to brainstorm other ways of how you can improve the layouts of the different sections of your Shopify website, look for different ways like this to how we can get customers more engaged with the brand. I'd be more than happy to brainstorm ideas with you and see how we can help. Please feel free to reach out. All my information is down below. Feel free to take a look through our website, see what we've done for other people. But I'm always happy to brainstorm ideas like this and to see how we can optimize our Shopify website. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to make some improvements to your website, please feel free to reach out and I'd be glad to see what we can do to help. But once again, I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or have any ideas, please feel free to reach out.